Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Abian Zainuri from 9.3, and today in this Aji Speaking this week video, I'm gonna tell you about one of material in same one book, namely about science, of course, namely biotechnology. Okay, so before I start to explain to you about biotechnology, did you know about biotechnology? Well, I'm sorry. Well, biotechnology is the use of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi to improve food, medicine, and the environment. It is divided into many fields such as medical biotechnology, agricultural biotechnology, and environmental biotechnology. But today, we will focus on biotechnology in food production, especially fermentation. Okay, fermentation is a process where microorganisms break down substance to produce energy. This process is used to make many foods that we eat every day, such as tape, tempe, and bread. The examples of fermentation in food, like I already said to you before, like tape, tempe, and bread. Uh, Tape is a fermented cassava or rice. Tape is made by fermenting cassava or sticky rice using yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. And then second is tempe. Tempe is a fermented soybeans. Tempe is made using rhizopus malt, which binds the soybeans together. And the third example that I give to you here about biotechnology in food, namely bread. Here I have the example bread. Here's one of the example of biotechnology in our daily life, in traditional food, of course, especially. Bread is a fermented dough, like you can see here, this dough, bread, and bread is made using yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, like in the tape, and then which produce carbon dioxide gas, and then the gas make the dough rise, creating soft and fluffy bread. Like you can see here, is the size of the bread is rice because of the role of microorganism in biotechnology. The bread that we eat every day can have the structure like this. Okay, so why is fermentation important in our daily life? Well, there are here I will give a three answer about why fermentation is important. Firstly, namely improve nutritional value. Fermented foods are easier to digest and have more nutrients than a common food that is not used by technology. And the second is preserve food. Fermentation helps prevent food from spoiling quickly, so it can be stored in a long time or a long duration, so that it can it can uh, it can keep strong, and then it are not easily to get raw. And then the last but not least, and the third is enhance flavor. Fermentation give food a unique taste, like sweetness of tape and umami flavor of tempeh. I think one of you that watch this video ever taste tape bread and tempeh. These three food have a different flavor. Namely, tape have a sweetness taste, and then tempeh have umami flavors, and bread here there are various flavor, namely sweet, and then it can be umami like tempeh. So, in a conclusion, biotechnology is not just about high-tech science. It is also present in traditional food making technique like fermentation. Thanks to biotechnology, we can enjoy nutritious and delicious food every day. Next time when you eat tape, tempeh, or bread, remember that it's all because of biotechnology. like here. I have that. Okay, I think that's all for IT speaking this week about biotechnology in is the material in science book term 1. Okay, thank you for attention. See you next time. I'm Abian Zainuri. I'm from 9.3. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.